Hi, Diagonal School. Thank you for joining me for today's mindful moment. Today, we're going to do some mindful moving. Now, remember, mindfulness is focusing all of your attention. So, today, while we move, notice how your body feels while we're moving. We're going to play a game called Tick Tock, like a clock. Have you ever seen a grandfather clock? It's a big, tall clock with the numbers up here and a pendulum that swings back and forth, back and forth. Now we're going to practice swaying side to side like the pendulum of a grandfather clock. So to start, sit on the ground, crisscross, and sit with a tall back and a relaxed body. Raise your right arm and put that right hand down on the ground by your side. Now push to the left and catch yourself with your left hand. And again, push your left hand and catch yourself with your right hand. Can you feel yourself moving to the left, to the center, to the right? Do you notice the weight on your hand and the stretch in your body? Let's say tick tock while we move back and forth. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Now see if you can move in rhythm to the drum. Tick tock, tick tock. We're going to stop moving soon when I finish this rhyme. You can say it after me. Tick tock like a clock until we find our center. Stop. Let's stop just like we started. Put your hands on your knees with a tall back and a relaxed body. And let's take 3 breaths now. In and out. And one more. Sit with your hands on your knees and notice how your body feels. Okay, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.